Before creating your first session, Buffaly needs two connections. First, enter your OpenAI API key and save it. Next, connect your ChatGPT account to enable Codex. Using Codex lets Buffaly access Codex features and use the credits available on your ChatGPT plan. Select Connect ChatGPT and sign into your account. After login completes, return to Buffaly settings. With OpenAI and Codex configured, Buffaly is ready for your first session. Go to the main Buffaly area and create a new session. When creating a session, choose the provider, model, and reasoning level. Buffaly includes OpenAI and Grok by default, and also supports Gemini and Anthropic and others. After you create the session, Buffaly initializes the agent environment. During initialization, Buffaly loads the source code, compiles the workspace, and prepares the session to process commands. The left side shows the agents currently available in the session. The right side is where you chat with the selected agent. Once initialization finishes, send a test message to confirm the session is working.